Hello, my name is Ângelo Fernandes and I welcome you to this course. I'm a 3D artist from Portugal and I'll be your instructor. In the beginning, my work was mainly about creating photorealistic renders for architecture and also for interior designs. Around a year ago, I started creating low poly, and to me, this is a great way to express my ideas. I like to create different scenes that look simple, but at the same time are full of tiny details. This is a part of my work that I really enjoy. I really like to spend some time thinking how can I add more details to the scene in the way that I can tell a story. I hope that you enjoy this course and that it will help you to become a great low poly artist. So, welcome once again.